In this video, we'll talk through how to use the A-dec Flush Dock, a hands-free solution for flushing water lines. Begin by removing any handpieces, motors, or other attachments from the positions you're going to flush. Next, insert the syringes into the top of the flush dock. They'll begin flushing immediately once inserted. The flush dock has spaces for traditional style syringes on either side and a continental style syringe in the middle, allowing both the assistants and the doctor's syringes to be flushed at the same time. Next, insert the handpiece tubings into the flush dock. Once all the tubings are in place, start the flush. You're now free to walk away. For delivery-specific flush instructions, please reference your delivery system's instructions for use. When the flush is complete, return the syringes to their holders. Then, return the handpiece tubings.